This is example 5. So rewrite the sine to the fourth x as the sum of first power cosines. Right. So since this was we just presented with these power reducing formulas, we might get an idea that that's what we're supposed to use. Let's see. Do our formulas have a fourth power in them? No. They actually only have a squared in it, right? If we're going to use this formula right here, it's actually sine squared. So what we might want to do on this is, let's rewrite this as sine squared. Like, how can I rewrite sine to the fourth as sine squared something something? How about sine squared squared? Now it's sine to the fourth. And now we have a substitution for that. Right? The substitution, let's get it from the last slide. 1 minus cosine 2u over 2. So okay, simplify. Right? The denominator will be a 4 by 2 squared. What do we have to do in the numerator? FOIL it, right? 1 minus cosine 2x times 1 minus cosine 2x. So that'll be 1 minus 2 cosine 2x plus cosine squared 2x. And all that is over 4. Right. So are we done? Did we write it as the sum of first power cosines? Not exactly, because by the foiling, we just created another squared term. So now we got to replace that. Okay. So go back to the formula says here for the cosine, right? The cosine squared is 1 plus cosine of 2u over 2. So notice the difference here. But we actually don't have cosine squared of x, right? We got cosine squared of 2x. So what's important here is that angle, this angle here is twice that angle. So since we're starting with 2x, we're going to be making a cosine of 4x. It'll be double what it started with. So by reducing the power, this angle is being doubled. So that's what it'll look like. Like this thing right here will be 1 plus, that was the 1 minus, 1 plus the cosine of 4x over 2. Right, where that angle is double that angle. Let's see, so that will be equals 1/4. That's the first term. The next term will be negative 2 over 4 will be over 2 minus cosine of 2x over 2. Then that last term is going to be 1/2 divided by 4, which will be 1/8. And cosine of 4x over 2 divided by 4, the cosine of 4x divided by 8. And you should, combine what you can combine. This 1/4 plus 1/8, 2/8 plus 1/8, 3/8. So and then I'll put that in front. 3/8 minus cosine of 2x over 2 plus cosine of 4x over 8. So now we have written it as the sum of first power cosines. There's no more squareds in there.